Hey guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. We need to be quiet. We're in the hallways. Let's go in. The woman's not home right now, but she says she has some spots of carpets that are missing. So let's go check that out real quick. She's right here in 308. So we're gonna go in here and check it. What the fucking? Oh, there's a spot of carpet right there. She's fine. She's fine. She's good. Just McMahon. Yeah. Hello. Mind your way. Close it a little bit. It's fine. And make sure y'all can get through. Yeah. Just a little bit. I'm actually taking apart the wrong dang thing anyway. Yeah, I know. It helps to take apart the right part, right? Dummy, like a blower motor. Alright, let's see if we can get down over here now. Where's my dang, I got a light. This might help actually. Well, I didn't put that. Screw it. I don't have a light. It's not good. Let's put a light right on the top. Right on the top. Light right on top. Look at this like this. Look at this. Watch this. This is ingenuity. In the filming industry. Right here, y'all need to learn about this. Put your cell phone on top of your GoPro. That's the way you do it. Right there. Yeah. Go. Right, there you go. Oh hell.
What?
Oh my god, this radio's.
What?
Oh, shut up. Stop. 1. Haven't been able to get to this yet, guys. Alright. Hey guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. I am going to be taking apart this unit today because somebody did not put a filter in it, and the coil looks like you could peel off some carpet. Not a good thing, not good at all. Got 3 more air conditioning related calls coming, so alright, so this coil is brand spanking new and it's dead. Where's my damn brush? Brother of God. Hello. Hello. Busy traffic day today. Alright. Give y'all a little peek inside the unit, y'all. I see that, look, like carpet, man. Like carpet, look at that. Everything is beautiful. But that coil, man, that coil is screwed up. So I'm gonna cut her off for a second so it doesn't suck all this stuff into the thing there. Let's see if I can set y'all up where you can see. 1 second, guys. That's all this stuff people don't want you to see. So I'm just gonna straddle the high side there. And let's see if y'all can see. Okay, y'all can't see anything yet, but I'm coming. There we go. Look at that. Like carpet, man. Like carpet. Oh my God, it's like, oh man. Wow. Woo. Get my little DX. Oh my god, man. Y'all see this is the thing. I can't really film it. Even if they didn't want me filming on the property, I can't do it. Because it's kind of hard to do all this crap. I mean, I really only see, can't do it, man. And I can put you all on my head, but I ain't gonna be able to see nothing really. Look at that. It's like lint, dude. Look at that. That's just touching the coil. I got that stuff off. Somebody left the filter out of here for about 3 months. Looks like. So I guess we won't be dude, there is no place to put. Look, where am I gonna put y'all? Really? So, yeah, really, bro. I might be able to shoot y'all through here. See if I want to see. I don't know. Y'all get my point. Anyway, when you don't put a filter in a unit, this is what you gotta deal with. So, I'm gonna start from the back. Get straight down. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. I wonder what was in high head pressure. I couldn't figure that out. Oh my god. Yes, literally look where I brushed. It was just the first layer of it. Look at that. Is that not nice or what? Dude. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in for a second. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, God bless. God bless you. God bless. Oh my god. Okay. This is gonna be fun. Oh man, I dropped you guys. Hold on. Hey, Lewis. I saw you through the crack. Look at this.
Well, you got a problem here.
You know what? We paid somebody to do the filters, and there was no filters in here. But I checked others. He must have skipped this one, and now the coil's all
No filter.
packed up with this dust and
Yeah,
stuff.
that could be a mess.
Yeah, coil's not cooling. That's why I'm here. So amazing. You know, we just took his word for it that he did the filters and stuff, but I'm scraping stuff off of the coil like that.
Hey.
Yeah. Ugh.
Oh, well.
Well, I'll be here for
At
another.
least it's not water.
Well, thank God it's not wet.
Usually when those doors are open, it's water.
Yeah, or leaking and stuff. Yeah. Well, you have a good one.
Thank you, you too.
Yes, ma'am. Miss Lewis. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, guys. That is just nuts. That is not right in any fashion. Oh my god. This has got to be the worst one I've had to deal with. I'm surprised the ECU motor didn't blow up. Actually. Trying to keep it out of the drain pan and the plenum, but some of it is dropping in the plenum, but I'm trying to go upward now with it because that stuff wants to hang down, so I'm trying to curl it onto this brush here. So this is interesting as hell, isn't it? So we'll keep y'all there for a second. We'll go upwards. Well, we're definitely not gonna be able to see anything. She's got positive air pressure coming out of her damn unit. It's blowing it right in my face. She's got her back door open. Dog it. Ugh. That's so nasty. It's blowing it right in my face. You know, 90% of the shit's dead skin cells. 90% of what's in your air conditioning is dead skin cells. That lovely, ugh, nasty and moist. Dead skin cells, but we're getting it. We're slowly getting it, guys. She's gonna have a clogged drain issue. Yeah, either way you put it. I'll pick this stuff up later, and I'm obviously gonna put a new filter in there for her. But now going straight up, pulling that shit up. Oh, golly, man, it's like Velcro. What I'm doing is I'm stabbing it with a brush so it doesn't fall. And then if it wants to come this way, we'll make it come this way. Keep it out of the plum. Oh, so disgusting. Look at this, man. I just take it off by. Look at that. It's like carpet. God damn it. It's 3 months with no filter. Looks like maybe 6. Shit, who knows? Flicking it up on a shelf here. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna be sick after this. Set the damn smoke detector out. Look at that. It's getting there. It's getting there, guys. It's getting there. This is what happens. I mean, you have to do this instead of sliding in the filter. I said I was going to go up, but you can't see. I'm on this blindsided. She's probably in dinner right now. So, that's good. I told her I'd have this done for her today, and I said, I already told her, I said, it looks like somebody didn't put a filter in here. At all. It's bad, because what happens with the coil? I mean, I'm doing a pretty damn good job. It looks like she's got a dog or a cat or something. And, the drain is not clogged up.
Got you on your praying knees, huh?
You always got me on my... Somebody didn't put a filter in the dang thing. So the coil becomes the filter. Yeah, so I'm sitting here with a little brush getting all this... Look at this. Looks like stuff that comes out of your dryer. Coming off that coil. Look how shiny and clean the coil is, and then... We paid somebody to do our filters last time, and they didn't. So
did a lousy job.
They didn't put a damn filter in it. So there's not one laying down there. There's nothing.
Well, isn't there a box of filters in
309? Yeah.
My storage cabinet down here?
Probably is. We paid somebody to do them last time, so apparently they didn't do it.
That's what it says on the box.
Well, they didn't. They must have just skipped this one. Like ran out of filters and said I'll come back to it later and didn't do it.
Forgot
You
it.
know, yeah. Or it could have been one of us. I'm not beside the blame there either. But this is what happens when we do.
Yeah.
You gotta sit here and scrub the coils down.
How you doing, Hollis?
Let's see.
You're doing right there.
Yeah, me too. We're all just doing. Alright. I think I got it almost. There's a ball back there. I'll get this stuff out of the drain pan. God almighty. Oh man, I can't even make this shit up. Okay. Get there. There we go. I think we're close enough. Turn her back on. We'll see if she sweats back now. Looking better than she was, that's for sure. Let's turn her back on for a second. I'm on call. I don't need this kind of stuff when I'm on call. So, yeah. Because it's common that we're going to be, let's see if I can get, yeah, there's nothing I can grab a hold of anymore. So, let's put her thing back on so she can drop some stuff here on. What happens with the girl now, because it wasn't cooling at all. Look at that. I'm offline. Yeah, I would live stream if I could. Cell phones don't work too good in this place. It's an old carrier unit. No, it's not old. It's 2018 actually, January. It just had a birthday not too long ago. Yeah, it wasn't sweating back, it wasn't doing shit. Got a little peeper hole here. We'll do the beer can cold method. Yeah, it's getting cold. It is getting cold. Alright, guys. Yes, sir. It's getting cold. She's getting cold. Put that back up there like that. Alright, well, I'm going to put the screws back in it, and that's going to be a day in the life of Jeffrey right there. Guys, thanks for liking, watching, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man, just working on our little carrier units. Y'all have a good one. Until then, y'all stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.